Let's take a look at this example for distributing combined like terms. In my last video, we went over how to do this problem. Let's take a look when there are two distributing parentheses. Here we have a negative in front of a parentheses. That means that is a -1. We will take that -1 and multiply it or distribute it to both of the terms inside that first set of parentheses. When you move on down into the expression, we have a 3 outside of this set of parentheses. However, it is not just a 3. If you look in front, there is a minus. That minus is a double agent. That minus makes this 3 negative. So we will actually be taking a -3 and multiplying it or distributing it to both of the terms inside that second set of parentheses. This is what we are working with. I like to distribute one set of parentheses at a time, so we are going to start with this first set. We're going to take -1 and multiply it to 3a. -1 times 3a is -3a. -1 times +2 is -2. And remember, a minus and a negative are the same thing. They are a double agent. So I can write a -2, and that will also signify that this 2 is negative. Now it's time to distribute this -3. We have -3 times 5a and -3 times a +7. -3 times 5a is -15a. -3 times +7 is -21. Now that everything has been distributed, we need to work on combining like terms. I have grouped our variable terms in a pink rectangle, so we have -3a and a -15a. This 15a is negative because of the minus in front of it. So anytime you have a minus in front, that makes the number negative. I've also grouped our number terms with green circles. So we have a -2. If you look to the left, that minus makes this 2 negative. And we also have a -21. If you look to the left, this minus makes this 21 negative. So I've put them in their groups. Combine means add, so within each group we will be adding these terms. So here we have -18a and adding a -23. If you notice, we ended up with a double symbol here. This is something we do not want. So anytime you see adding a negative, we can fix that. Adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. So we can rewrite that as -18a minus 23. We can eliminate our double symbols here by just writing it as a subtraction sign.